We are happy the president is taking lead in most of these things, and even it's not only Busega Mpigi, other projects. As I was leaving this morning, my office, I saw a letter from the president sacking 6 engineers, including a few I'm seeing on this front bench here, sacking them, not even predicting they should go, and is choosing them on projects of Busega Mpigi, Mubende, Fort Portal Road, the Masaka Mutukula, and many other projects.
He was part of UNRA and the director of planning. Why don't you be accountable?
From Ministry of Works, what is the average cost per kilometer of a road?
A project which was supposed to cost 547 billion, because of changing of the alignment, it goes to 1.3 trillion, and eventually that money is not enough. We need more 700 billion, which will go to 2 trillion. This is on record if the road is to be finished. The Busega Mpigi, it is true the road was diverted from the dry land to wetland, and the investigations are still going on, but the preliminary investigations show a few individuals had some structures ahead after the swamp. So the only way to reach on their buildings, it was through the swamp. Unfortunately, as you reach now, all of them are demolished, but reports are available.
Nguudo zonna tugenda samplinga ko enguudo 3 tukole investigation eri thara tutegeere ebiri mu nguudo zino zonna.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.